Guys, please don't forget to subscribe on the channel of Wealth Munshi. Click on the bell icon and get the latest updates.
So here, friends, this is another case study of Mr. Chandramouli Vijala, who's a global leader for a company known as John Deere. Mr. Chandramouli has been nearly associated with us nearly a decade now. He is a team player. He is the one who leads. If he says something, his team actions on it. That's the reason he has been one of the most introducing clients to us. That basically means that he has given us a lot of introductions to us whom also we are working with. The biggest challenge working with Chandramouli is that we always give him homework. But when we give him an action plan, when he gives him homework to do, a lot of times it remains pending. It's not that he doesn't want to do it, it is because of the time constraint. If all the actionables are done fast, and I'm sure things would be better on his finances. Positive sides that he has always been open to listen. He has always been ready to take a recommendation. And he always had a chance to discuss with us how things will work out with these recommendations. We have always cherished, always had a very, very positive association with him. Always had a discussion, we left out in the discussion, we felt very happy, and we always believe that he's always maintained his time. He's again one of the investors who respected our time. He's dot on, never missed any meetings. He would have missed a couple of meetings, but he's always appreciated to inform our teammates, Indra and our other team, to let us know what is happening on this. We look forward for a lifetime association. He has extremely good rich values for his family and friends. We look forward to see how we can work together to improve his financial situation. Let's see what Mr. Chandramouli has to say about his association with Wealth Munshi.
So Chandra, can you please share a brief profile about yourself?
So I'm currently working with John Deere. I'm the head of IT department there for John Deere, leading the global IT here from India.
And since how long you've been associated with Wealth Munshi now?
I think the first time I ever probably spoke to you, I worked with Wealth Munshi was probably in 2007. So it's close to 13 years now that I'm associated with Wealth Munshi.
Does Wealth Munshi, provide you an end-to-end digital solution for financial planning, wealth management, and succession planning?
Yes, it does. From financial planning, wealth planning, absolutely, and those are things that I have leveraged heavily. From succession planning perspective, I know they do provide, and I have been trying to figure that out. But at this point of time, I've not used it as much as I should probably.
What actually made you buy from us for the first time?
I think the first time was my interaction with. I think that's what really has helped me. I mean, I think the first thing that struck me was the fact that there was a planned approach to everything. More than worrying about what I really gained in terms of a return or anything from that perspective, it is more important to understand the fact that I had to plan everything together, understand my overall portfolio, whether I am covering up for every piece of goal or every part of every one of my goal that actually I was looking to go after through my life. So I think that's really what caught my attention. I realized that I wasn't thinking of all of those things in a holistic manner, and that's probably what caught my attention.
Great. So the whole idea itself is goal-based wealth management.
Correct.
Great. What has been your best experience? Was it the financial health check? Was it the app? What is the personalized report? Was it the locker? Or it was the expertise? Or it was the service support from our team?
So it's a combination of all. Fact is that I keep saying this. As much I hate it, I love the persuasion skills that I get where I am pushed to do certain things, because sometimes savings is all about you pushing yourself that little extra bit to be able to make things happen. So that entire thing of continuously monitoring, continuously letting me know what I should be doing and where I should be going and what I should be covering for was the biggest thing. Now the whole digital thing is also a great experience, because that just helps and takes things out of makes it a lot more easier and simpler for you to do. So I think digital is something that's continued to help me too. The confidential report, absolutely. I think it was something that I passed on to my wife, because when I think more and more about it and look at a lot of those incidences where some of my friends have had mishaps, I can tell you that this is probably the biggest piece, right? Where I think it's not so much about earning huge return, but it's so much about protecting your current assets that you have, or current investments that you have, and making sure that they actually reach people that you are intending it for. So I think these are all the different pieces that I truly appreciate, that kind of what Wealth Munshi has given me.
Thank you so much. Is there any unique feature you come across working with us on any of the parameters?
So for me, it is the holistic approach, and I keep saying this, right? For me, it's not about, it's not about the huge returns and stuff. For me, the unique thing is how you cover end to end, right? And now, of course, the whole digital piece. But initially, it was all about end to end things that I probably did not think of. It is maybe also because of the age where you are at time of your life, and at various points of the time you think. But for you to think about it at the very beginning, understand what truly your goals are, and trying to make sure that you're actually able to hit those goals with a clear thought process and planning, financial planning, is what I found it to be very unique.
Okay. What has been any of the eye-openers working with us? Any eye-opener you come across that is something which you never knew and would help you understand more?
I think the eye-opener was, I'll keep going back and harping on the same point probably, because for me the eye-opener was, because invariably at various points in life you keep thinking about one thing at a time. You don't think about term insurance when you're in your 30s. You don't think about health insurance until you get to later part of 40s. You don't think about guaranteed return when you're in your 20s, 30s. You're invariably thinking about it much later in life. You don't think about equities till you get into, probably you're way early, you think a lot about it. But fact is that you need to think about everything which is absolutely goal-based, right? Today, each of those goals which I know for certain I have to hit, making sure that they are covered by very clear, guaranteed returns starts to make a difference. I mean, to me, that was an eye-opener, and understanding how the portfolio should be set up so that you're covering up for everything was certainly an eye-opener for me. Probably the second piece of an eye-opener is invariably, you realize that when you start actually investing, when you start commit yourself, you figure out ways to manage within the rest that is remaining with you. Always reminds me of Warren Buffett's quote around that. So it's always, sometimes we think that we are not able to save enough or cannot save that much, but when you start going that route, you realize that there is always an opportunity.
How can we improve or improvise our association?
So improve, I think most of the times I keep thinking that if there is anything to improve, it's mostly from my end, where I need to make sure that I'm able to move as fast as you guys want me to. I always find it challenging. I think one of the biggest things is, when we look at these switches and stuff, I think being able to provide that kind of, when you're requesting for a switch or are saying that somebody should switch from one fund to another and so on, being able to provide that reasoning, being able to provide that, articulate that reasoning, because unless I speak to you, I today don't know, right? But if you are able to provide that through, your recommendations, along with the recommendation, if you are to say why you're asking me to do what you're asking me to do, I think that will be hugely helpful, because that, I think those are some of the things, because every time we have that question, the moment you ask me to switch, I have that question saying, why are you asking me? Then I have to call you to find out why do you think and what is it. Again, I don't think every time these things are absolutely the perfect recommendations. They may or may not be, but at least what you believe in, if I understand, then accordingly I can make a goal based or a decision based off of that. I think that's one big piece that I see missing.
That's a very important point, and I appreciate that. Where would you like to see our association 10 years down the line, Chandra?
Where you're able to continue to ask me to pump in wealth, and more money into investments. Fact is that where I would like to see this is, where I'm able to see everything end to end, the way I'm seeing it today, but where you don't have to necessarily follow up with me.
Perfect.
Where I'm able to actually get these things done, at a click of a button without necessarily having for you to follow up with me, neither me to follow up with you. I think that's where I would like to see it.
Sure. If you have to rate us from 1 to 5, 1 being excellent, where would you like to rate us?
I never like giving 1, so I'll probably say 2. Okay? But yes, for me, it's been a fantastic association.
Thank you so much.